Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today we're making timballo di riso, which in English would be rice timbale. It's very easy to make and I'm gonna make mine vegetarian. However, you can take out a few ingredients so that it's also vegan friendly. Well, let's get started. Firstly, I start by cooking the rice in about 3 liters of salted water. And the cooking time varies based on the type of rice you picked, so check on the rice box. However, I do advise to cook it just a couple of minutes less than the suggested time. Then I chop up a small onion. You can use purple, yellow, or white onion, whatever you have in the fridge. I just had purple onion, and fry it up slightly with some olive oil for just a couple of minutes. I add in frozen peas and the salt. You can put more or less peas, whatever you prefer. The quantity is really up to you, or even if you prefer taking the peas out altogether, that's fine. Cook them for 5 minutes or so and then set them aside. In the same pan, we're going to prepare the tomato sauce. If you want to make it at home, check out my tomato sauce video in the description box below, which is actually my most popular video here on YouTube. Otherwise, fry up some garlic and add in the tomato puree. I throw in salt and a bit of sugar to bring down the acidity of the tomatoes. Cook it for about 15 minutes and add about a 1/3 cup of water, depending obviously on the thickness of the sauce that you're using. I also like to add in some fresh basil at the end of the cooking time. And once the rice is ready and still al dente, add it to the sauce and then throw in the peas too. Here I realized that my pan was just a little bit small for this task, but that didn't stop me. Combine everything well, and if you like, I suggest adding some grated cheese. Now this next step is completely optional. I like to cut up some hard-boiled eggs to add in that I previously cooked for about 10 minutes after the water started to boil. Now in a pan 11 by 7 inches, I spread the first layer of rice. I top it off with some fresh mozzarella, but you can pick another kind of cheese, even vegan if you prefer, and then the hard-boiled egg. I cover everything with the remaining amount of rice and I flatten it out. I sprinkle on top some grated cheese, breadcrumbs, and a drizzle of olive oil, and I bake it in a preheated oven at 390 Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. And I also like to give it a couple of minutes of broil. Here it is. I let it cool down for just a couple of minutes and then it's ready to be served. This rice timbale kind of reminds me of arancini, the classical Italian rice balls. I know this is not rice balls, but I think it's kind of a healthier version. It's not the same, I know, but it's still extremely delicious and it's a great meal option that you can make easily and it's not too heavy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up because it helps my channel grow so much. And also, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys!